This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tracy Young. Immaculate. Big lakefront and amp, golf views with absolutely the best views of 3 lakes and amp, 3 fairways. Spectacular open floor plan with all tile flooring, no carpet. 3 bedroom, 3 full bath and unit with separate family room, new large screen TVs and a private elevator. Not only a gorgeous lakefront view, but expansive views of 3 fairways and the lake from your master bedroom, living room, dining room and amp, from the kitchen. Convenient Jenn-Aire Grill right on your balcony and amp, electric storm shutters on new impact windows and amp, doors. Private elevator and remote entry control system to unlock front door for guests without walking downstairs. Plantation shutters throughout, dramatic volume ceilings, tile floors throughout the entire residence and amp, out to the balconies also. New stainless appliances not shown. Ravenna Community has been newly updated and amp, offers its own poolside fitness center and amp, social room. Pelican Marsh Community features include a brand new fitness center, computer room, tennis club, 4 gated entries, new outdoor dining bar and amp, grill with TVs and wonderful walking paths. Minimum 4-month rental for 2023. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Young at 239-209-7511.